Hey guys, it's your girl JustzBee coming at you guys with a different type of video. So I have a cute little getaway that I need to get away to, and I need you guys' help to pack. So as you can see, I've been doing all these hauls, trying to find pieces that I could put in my bag to pack. It's only like a day and a half trip, so I don't need a whole lot of stuff, but I need to pick 2 dresses and I need y'all help. Can y'all help a sister out, please? The first dress is obviously the one that I have on. I was thinking about pairing it with these really cute glasses. And I don't want to pack too many purses, and it's like something light. So I was thinking that I could either go with the red and do like gold earrings. Or, I don't know, what do you guys think? You guys think I should do the red? I think I like the red as a cross strap. Whoop whoop. I'm feeling the red as a cross strap. I feel super comfortable. It's a loose material. I think that because it's long, I'm 5'9", it's extra long. We got a little cute little detail. It's just giving me very comfortable vacation vibes. So this is the black purse. And this one, because it actually has like the band at the top, I can actually wear it on the shoulder without it sliding. So that's kind of good about this one. But my personal opinion and my personal taste, I'll probably go with the red one. What do you think? We're gonna be taking a cute boat ride and being close to the beach, so I just want some really cute, loose flowing maxi dresses. So this is contestant number 1. So the next dress I have is this black one, which was definitely one of my faves from Forever21. And I'm gonna just go all black everything with this one. So I'm just gonna go ahead, pair with the black purse. I'm gonna pair with my black slides, my black fur slides. And if I need a jacket, I'm going jean with every outfit. So definitely jean could go with this. And for the last dress that I just literally just tried on, jean also goes with this. So I'm trying to keep my packing down to a minimum. And the only thing about pairing this to go home, just no glasses, just a light makeup day, and my little fur purse, my little fur slide, my little jean jacket, I think this works. What do you think? It's contestant number 2. This is contestant number 3. As you may remember, this dress I got it from Fashion Nova. This one would also be paired with a jean jacket to wear on somebody's little boat with some sandals. I've been looking for me a cute beach hat. I couldn't find it, but I don't know where I would wear this. This is just some contestant. If you pick it, I'll make it work. By the way, this is gonna be the hair on the trip. I'm definitely gonna do a few more things to it, but this is definitely gonna be my hair for the trip. So I thought it would be really important to try them on one last time to help you guys make your decision. So yeah, this is just something really cute. This could be to go home to. None of them have a specific purpose. I'm okay with wearing any one of them and just making it do what it do. So I thought the blue on blue would be really cute. What do you think? I have a beach bag to go with this, but I'm not going to be really carrying it, so I don't feel like it really had to match my outfit. I don't know, guys. What do you think of contestant number 3? Last but not least, contestant number 4. I know you guys have to remember this one. So adorable. I will pair this with some gold hoop-de-hoops. And I don't know, this was another one where it was like So as all the other dresses, I'm definitely gonna be pairing it with this jean jacket. Jean is so versatile, can go with anything, so I love it. The only thing about this dress is one of the straps have already broke. I believe it's this side. So when the straps are already broke, so I'm just gonna either sew it back or put a little safety pin. So with that being said, the dress is a little cheaply made. It came from Shein. Let's just say what it is, you know what I'm saying? Let's just keep it real, you feel what I'm saying? So yeah, this is contestant number 4. Very comfortable. I'm okay with wearing this anywhere. And I just, honestly, this is just a dress I'm gonna have to wear with no bra. I don't have a strapless or a backless. I don't have a backless bra. I don't have a backless strapless bra. So the girls may just have to be out and have fun. You get what I'm saying? The girls wanna be out in the sun. The girls wanna be in the sun too. So that's it for this video, guys. Like I said, I need your help. I have contestant 1. Why am I calling them contestants? So guys, that's it for my video. I seriously need your help picking. I only need 2 dresses. So I gave you 4 options. It's either dress number 1, dress number 2, dress number 3, or dress number 4. You let me know. So I'm not gonna actually announce the winning dress. I'm gonna do a lookbook on site on our little getaway, and that's how you will know what dresses I picked and didn't pick. You can also check out my Instagram, which I did post today, so I'm getting better, y'all.